Okay, let's start from good morning, guys. Let's start from gold. So gold is going bullish. So we'll continue to look for bullish opportunities on gold. But let's look at the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, we can see that gold has been going bullish. Let me remove all of this. Gold is going bullish. So from the daily time frame, it's obvious. Let me remove this line. I did mentorship class yesterday. Yeah, so gold has been going bullish. I mean, yeah, based on market structure wise on the daily time frame, you can see a bullish movement like that. So we'll continue to look for bullish opportunities in the lower time frame on gold. So go to the weekly daily H4 time frame. So looking at H4, also respecting the direction of the weekly daily. So we're going to be looking for market structure wise, we're going to be looking for characteristics of an uptrend from H1 time frame to see how we can capitalize on the buy opportunities. So like I said, our goal is a bit different from the strategy I use on gold is a bit different from currency pairs. So I want to see the market after making this impulsive move. So I want to see this. Oh, this is a correction. I mean, this is impulse. Also, there was Quasimodo here. After the news on Friday, there was Quasimodo here. I think I have to jump in here late in the evening when the market retraces back. But then this is impulse correction, then another impulse, right? So what I'm going to be waiting for on gold is for gold to drop. I didn't see this move before now, before I opened my chart. So this move I've already started playing. So I want to see gold give us a retracement. So on this retracement, I will look for a confirmation entering fantastic 5 or the neckline break on
neckline break
on the 5 minutes time frame for us to buy. So gold is bullish, so we should be looking for bullish opportunity. So who is trying to say something? Okay. Okay, so we are done with gold. So our analysis on gold is straightforward. We want to be looking for buying opportunities. We just want gold to give us a retracement based on our strat A, strat B, strat C. So whichever patterns after retracement, we're going to look for confirmation, then measure our risks at 2, 3, 4% will be good enough. So that is that on gold. Let's look for USDT. Also USDT, let's start. USDT has been bullish. So this deal was on USDT. In fact, let's start our analysis from the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, you see the market is actually bullish, right? USDT is bullish. This is the high, the low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And since then, the market formed a higher low here. The market has been going bullish since last 2 weeks. So last week, the market got into this zone remember, the danger zone is a major zone that can prevent the market from going up. So we don't want to be participating on this zone here. This is the zone last week. So USDT spent the whole of last week struggling within this zone, right? Almost half of, okay, not the whole of last week, because I think from Monday last week we bought USDT. Yeah, then I think the following day from Tuesday like that, the market enter into this danger zone. So I was expecting the market to break, or I was expecting a retracement before the continuation of another move. But looking at the market on Friday, because of the news, unexpected news, so the market finally break this danger zone here. This one breaks this zone, means we should be going up, right? And it breaks this zone with a bullish engulfing. This is a strong bullish engulfing. So in this wise, we should look for buying opportunities as well. So let's go to the H4 time frame. So let me remove H4 time frame. Yeah. So this is H4 time frame. I want to see USDT back to this zone here. I'll be coming to retest this zone for a confirmation for a buy. So either I will wait for a retracement or continuation of a buy. So in this wise now, because since it's going bullish and last week closed as a daily candle close as a bullish engulfing. Also look at the last week candle. Also, this last week candle closed with a lot of momentum, with a full body candle, shows us the strength of ready to push the market up. So on the daily, we have confirmation here as well, bullish engulfing. So I want to see, and this one's also look like blind spot actually, but I want to see the market give me a retracement, because we cannot start putting our buy order here, because when we buy here, where are we going to put our stop loss? It's going to be too far away. So we don't want to start pumping buying order, because we said USDT is bullish. So we want to also see a retracement before a continuation of the buy move. So yeah, also if I look at this point as well, yeah, I want to wait for, I'm looking at it from the weekly time frame. Let me go back to H4. If I should cover this week, I'm going to cover the whole of this zone. But then let me look at it also from, yeah. So I want to see USDT back. So I want to see retracement back from this zone. I will start looking for, like USDT also likes to, he likes to print fantastic five. He likes to print also produce a neckline break also, but he likes to print Quasimodo reversal a lot. He likes to print Quasimodo. So when it comes here and then confirmation, other when the market is dropping, you'll see it from the 15 time frame. You see other Quasimodo, blind spot, whatever neckline. That is going to be the confirmation for a buy. So USDT also is bullish. So let's which other pair? GPB USD. Okay. GPB USD. Yeah. So let's start from, this guy is up. the market is actually going bullish, and I believe the market is going to continue going bullish. Let's look at it from the weekly time frame. Yeah. So GU has been going bullish. So it's still a bullish movement. So I want to expect I want GU to come to this point here. I'm going to remove this one. I want GU to come to, okay, from the H4, I can see if we are going to, because the market structure is still showing a bullish movement already. So I want GU to come to this. If you look at this, we have a scenario C1 there. So this is a scenario C1, right? And also based on market structure, GU is showing bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish, and H4 also giving us a bullish structure. So if GU can drop, can retrace back to this point, we'll look for confirmation for a buy. So this is a scenario C1 here. So now also let's look out for confirmation of this scenario C1 for us to be sure if the market comes back, gets back to this zone, be sure of looking for entry confirmation. Yeah, we have, this is not a bullish engulfing, this is a full body momentum candle. So this can be used on daily as confirmation, right? And also let's look at the weekly. Weekly candle also close with the full body from like full body showing us the strength of buyers ready to push the market. So based on market structure on H4 GU, we want the market to reshare, and then we have confirmation, we buy. So that is that for GU. So let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD also, I think the same structure. We have a Quasimodo reversal that was breached last week. I think that Quasimodo is going to become a QMM, right? So, and also from the higher time frame on Euro USD is like GBP USD, they are all going bullish, right? So it's giving us a bullish movement also. So I'm looking at it this way. I'm looking at it this way. Yeah, if this is there was the Quasimodo, right? That we wanted to sell before the news. So this Quasimodo, a fake Quasimodo can become a QMM only on one condition. Not every Quasimodo can become a QMM, right? So a fake Quasimodo can become a QMM based on one condition. Means that if that QMM, if that fake Quasimodo end up with a bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, only bullish or bearish engulfing on the higher time frame, that can be seen as what a Quasimodo manipulation. So in this wise, I can see from the H1 time frame Quasimodo manipulation here with this impossible. So if the market drops back to this zone, it's going to be a beautiful plan to look for confirmation for a buy, right? Why is it Quasimodo manipulation? Because it has a confirmation, like I said. So let's go to H4. Since the confirmation happened on H1 time frame, I want to look for since the QMM happened on H1 time frame, I want to see confirmation from the weekly and also, from the H4 and daily. So here I can see clearly, I can say this is a confirmation. I want to see, let's go to the daily. So if you look at daily, you see that it has bullish engulfing. So this is a complete criteria of all the Quasimodo manipulation. So we have a confirmation bullish engulfing on the higher time frame. So this is a Quasimodo, but another way this market can come, the market can also come here. Most of the time it does this as well. The market can also come here to respect this resistance area here, give a setup here, and then move. So what you're going to do if you're going to trade this one, once the market gets into this zone, you start looking for entry confirmation. If the market is not ready to move, it's not going to provide entry confirmation on the lower time frame. Maybe it will drop to this point and then provide entry confirmation, and you buy. So we can look at it from the H4 time frame as well. I mean, from the H1 time frame as well. So retracement back from this zone, we started looking for confirmation, or this zone, you started looking for confirmation, because the market can get to this resistance on H4 and buy, will provide a confirmation here and buy. Can also get to this point. If you get to this point, it's going to be a perfect price for you to buy when you see a confirmation on M15, M5 time frame for a buy. So that is that for Euro USD. So also we have a similar, like this Euro USD, we have a similar setup on AUD as well. Let's look at AUD. So AUD also having a beautiful setup like that on AUD as well. So AUD. Yeah, we're having this Quasimodo also. So we have the same, almost the same concept here. A fake QMM with the confirmation. So this one also has confirmation as well. Yeah, that's confirmation as well. So also the market can actually come to, let me zoom it. The market can get to this resistance area and start buying. So that's why I need to pay attention, like I have explained, almost the same setup on Euro USD. So we all looking for buy on these pairs. So somebody said I should analyze GPB, no, not GPB, Euro CHF, right? Euro CHF. So you can look at your analysis from you can look at your analysis from the weekly time frame. Looking at the weekly time frame, we can see at this moment here, at this point here, I can actually see characteristics of a downtrend, right? From this weekly time frame. It's giving us this is a high, this is a low, higher high, higher low, right? Higher low here. The market abort for like 2 weeks, and it's like it's forming another lower higher. How do I put another lower high here? This is a high, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low. It's forming another lower high here to drop back down. So this is weekly time frame, right? So this push is going to be a good buying opportunities in the lower time frame. So, but looking at the market structure wise from the weekly time frame, it's like the market is forming a lower high here for a continuation of a bearish movement, right? So this wise, also looking at the daily time frame based on market structure, you can also clearly see, even though we have internal market structure, this is a lower low, this is a low, this is a high, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then maybe the market is on its way back to continue all the way to form another lower low here. So in this wise, let's also look at the market. And also, if you look at it, is let me go to the, okay, fine. So let's go to the weekly time frame. I mean, H4 time frame, guys. So also looking at the H4 time frame, what can we see from the H4 time frame? The market started, where the market was pushing up, that weekly retracement. That is why I said give us a lot of buying opportunities. This was a blind spot after the market formed a low, a high, a higher low, higher high, covered a blind spot, a higher high like that. So if you go to the lower time frame, M30, M15, you will see a lot of opportunities there for a continuation of that buy. But the markets form a higher on the weekly. This is the point where the market failed to continue to provide that characteristics of uptrend, and then the market is giving us a form of a downtrend, back down bearish. So in this wise, we want to be looking for that selling opportunity. But if you want to be looking at the selling opportunity, we should be looking at it based on a fantastic 5 on the lower time frame like M15. So for me, I believe this is a high, a lower high is forming, pushing down to form a lower low. Then upon retracing to this point here, we look for entry for a bearish movement. But like we personally, I don't trade this pair since you said I should analyze it for you. So I'm seeing a bullish direction on it. I mean, a bearish direction on Euro CHF. So you can look for selling opportunities when the market provide one for you. So I think we don't have any other pair. Rather, I trade gold. So I will be coming back to gold to wait for that opportunities to buy. So I'll still be waiting. This setup happened too early. So I'll be waiting for opportunities to buy. So I can put my line here to this point here. So on the 1 hour time frame. So any retracement back to that point is going to be a good opportunity for us to look for entry confirmation in the lower time frame. So this is the today analysis on Monday. So the market is dynamic, so the market can continue to form or create another pattern. That is why when you come the next day, you have to look at your analysis and see if the price has has respected your analysis. So if price has provided different stuff on the chart, so if price provide different from what you have analyzed, then you need to reanalyze based on the data that the market has provided for you, and then to plan for the next move. So thank you so much, guys.